Hello.
Hello.
We started out here because, there's definitely a bit of a wow factor as far as where we are. We are back out at Lake Las Vegas, and we are now at a blue heron community. This is called Shoreline.
Yes.
I love these. I love the fact that they're super close to all the amenities. You have like the little downtown area. I think it's really accessible from here. There are 3 floor plans. We're standing in this little thing so we don't fall in the water. So just bear with us. The 3 floor plans. We're going to be looking at the Veran, is that how you pronounce it? Veran model today. 3,366 square feet. 3-story. You can have these either 2-story or 3-story. I have been out here before, but I haven't been out here with Cassandra. So let's get into it right now. Now, I absolutely love these because I just think they're so well done. And you mentioned you have a client that lives in one of these too, right?
I do. Yeah. She uses it as like a lock and leave. She lives in California, so she comes back and forth. Her neighbors both, one lives in Chicago, one lives in California, so they lock and leave like 6 months a year.
Yeah, this is fantastic. You've got this incredible lake view. You can absolutely just sort of close the door and leave. The HOA here is $408 a month, so it's just the 2 HOAs. And they've been selling pretty well. This particular floor plan, as I mentioned, is 3,300 square feet. And the sales agent was kind enough to share with me, if you were to have a lakefront view, if you were to select the 3-story, because you can do this 2-story or 3-story, and get the elevator, you're looking at anywhere from about 2.5 to 2.8. You do have the opportunity to be, though, further up the hill, and those are actually less expensive. The most expensive are obviously going to be here on the lake, but if you are okay with being a little bit further back, you can actually be anywhere from $500,000 to $1 million less. There you go. So lots of opportunity here, kind of depending on what makes most sense for you. Blue Heron obviously always does something ultra modern. Cassandra and I have actually been out to a few Blue Heron communities. We were at Prado and we were at Owasso. And now, of course, they also have several different types of product in Lake Las Vegas as well. I think this is one of my favorites. Again, I just love the idea of being close to the amenities. Grabbing breakfast. There's, live concerts, music in the summertime. You have all the water sports. And it just feels like there's just a lot of activity over here that I really, really love.
Yeah, same. Yeah, I think it's nice for people that just want amenities really close. You don't have to drive, or you can just get in your golf cart and drive.
And you can just get in your golf cart. We saw a lot of people out in their golf cart today, which was really neat. And this kitchen, there's a lot of different ways, of course, that you can do it. They have an incredible design center down in Town Square that we had the opportunity to see. Really anything under the sun as far as your finishes here. But I really like this because it's just very muted, very, there's a lot of things you can do with it. And I love these cabinets.
Yeah, they did a nice job with these. Pretty.
I could definitely see myself hanging out here. And what I love is not only do you have the beautiful, lake view, but I love that you have a little space over here. And I'm so excited. Obviously, we're going to tour this entire home today. But when we get upstairs and you have that incredible view from the 3rd story, it is absolutely spectacular. All right, so I was just looking at the map. And they have 4 home sites available right now. So to just give you an idea, Peter, so these are on the water, home sites 4 and 5. So home site 4 is $700,000 and then $675,000. And then, as I said, if you go back here, they drop anywhere from $150,000 to $175,000. So that's pretty significant. Also, anything that is in the light gray has not been released yet.
Right.
And then Sawyer, who's the sales agent here, also mentioned to me that they're going to be doing a whole second set of this particular product, like on the other side. So more to come, which is great. Let's go take a look upstairs. Let's do it. Well, this isn't too bad.
No, this is nice.
I could live with this. And it was funny because we were coming out here and we missed the boat.
We literally
I wanted to
missed
get the boat. Like there was a boat kind of running by in the background, but Peter got a little bit of it, but we missed some of it. But you get the gist of what we're trying to share with you here. this is amazing. I mean, what a nice lifestyle, especially if you just want to come out here on the weekends, kind of get it away from it all. Yeah. And remember, we're only about 25 minutes from the Strip. So if you wanted to go to see something at the Sphere, I recently saw the Backstreet Boys.
Oh, how was that?
Do you know, I'm a little old, so do you know if you go to the Backstreet Boys, you're supposed to wear white?
No.
No? Because it seems like it would be more your...
No, I did not know that.
Okay. Anyway, so we went to the Backstreet Boys like 2 weeks ago when my sister was in town, and very good show, like amazing graphics, but literally everyone there was in some sort of white outfit. And just a heads up, if you do go see the Backstreet Boys, that just know that everyone there is going to be in white, and if you decide to be in white, then you'll fit in a lot better than any of us did, because we did not get that memo. Anyway, but just to give you an idea, like there's just things that are so close by, right? And you're just here, I mean, enjoying. And of course, if you play golf, is amazing, or if you just want to enjoy the afternoon from your fabulous balcony. And I love that it's off the primary.
Yeah, I do too.
Right? So it's really just sort of like your own private oasis, yes. Right? And one of the things that I do love about this home, and I've seen it, it's a little hotel-like, but we see a lot of bathrooms, right? But I do love this bathroom.
I do too. The mirrors, really.
The mirrors, the separate sinks, you have your vanity, and then, but wait, there's more. There's a lot of room for a lot of people in here. I'm just saying.
It's the party shower.
It's a party shower. But I mean, I don't know. I could definitely live with this as well. Have a fantastic view from your shower. I mean, why ever leave your shower?
You really have it here too with the mirrors, which is nice. So everywhere you look, you see the lake,
just
which
like
I
some
love.
really amazing. And the thing is, I mean, these are, I'm just going to say they're stacked pretty close together, yes. Right? But you really don't feel it because everything is really focused outward. So even though, they're detached, they're definitely single family homes, but they have a kind of a townhome vibe, which is fine. But the fact that the way they've laid these out, you really don't feel like you're stacked because everyone has these amazing views. But you can see when you come out here, Peter, like you can see like there's somebody else's deck. But we'll just ignore them. But they're not there anyway. And then there's the house next to it, So, but you just, the way they did these, I think it was really smart, where you don't really feel like people are on top of you.
Yeah, I agree.
And then let's go show them the additional bedrooms. Keep in mind, of course, you can have an elevator. We were able to walk the stairs, which is
nice.
Thank goodness we can do that. But if it's something that is a concern, you do have an elevator. We're going to try to demonstrate the elevator. I think he said he unlocked it. We don't know. Oh, it's still locked.
Okay. We'll take the stairs.
Well, we'll see. Yeah, we'll see. But he did say he unlocked it. I guess maybe he didn't. But oh, there's Sawyer. So here's the essentially extra bedrooms, but of course these are done as offices because we are in the sales office. Originally they had all three modeled, but now they just have this one modeled. And what's amazing, I mean, the market's pretty slow. They don't have any quick delivery here. They have nothing standing inventory. I think that really speaks to the popularity of this product because a lot of the builders really across our valley, with like a few exceptions, have standing inventory, right? So the fact that they don't. And then you have your closet here, bathroom with a shower. And then we're just going to peek our head in here if this is okay. And then say hi. This is Sawyer. He's super awesome. He's the sales agent here. Not a bad gig, Sawyer. So this is the second floor. Really, so you have your primary bedroom, you have two additional bedrooms, laundry is right here. Now for the, the pièce de résistance? What are we going to say? What are we going to call it? We're going to go to the
rooftop deck.
the rooftop deck, the third floor, the absolutely culmination of this fabulous property. And even if you didn't do it, because there are, if something is you don't really want that third level, you can build it just the 2 levels, and ultimately you still have this incredible balcony here. You still have that beautiful downstairs.
Mm-hmm. Good options.
There's options. But in this case, since there is that amazing deck, let's go take a look. So the other 2 models are actually a little bit bigger. So we're in 3,300 square feet. The Abrir and the Elevar, I hope I'm saying that correctly, are 35 all the way up to 3659. This feels mighty fine to me. I'd be perfectly comfortable with this. So essentially, oh, there you go, Peter. You can show them there's the styling of the other homes. They did have all 3 modeled. I have been through all 3 models, but that was a little bit ago. Now, of course, they just have this one open. But what a great space, especially for entertaining, right? You could definitely have something up here. Plus, you have this beautiful deck up here.
I feel like you're on top of the world.
On top of the world. So does your client have the deck up here?
She has just a rooftop deck. But I have seen another client that had a gym in there, and they had the rooftop also.
And then, Peter, pan behind us, because then you can see what the ones look like that are up on the behind us. So obviously, the more expensive ones are going to be up here, down here by the water. But I think the ones up there are kind of nice too. Like I said, you probably get some fantastic views.
They're private too.
They're a little bit more privacy, so the boats aren't all going by. Not that that bothers me too much, but and this, like I said, they do have two available lots on the water, and then they have 2 available lots behind us as well. So you would have a choice, and then they have a whole phase 4, I think, which is going to be possibly the last phase of these before they start building additional homes.
Right, and along with the 4, I think they have those last 3 lots right on the water, right next to the village. So those will be the really expensive lots. I think they're the
so they're right here.
75.
So it's they don't have I don't see lot 1. Oh, but okay, so these right here is what you're talking about, and that would be under not available.
Okay, for now.
Cassandra's so smart.
For now.
So these, just as Cassandra's saying, these would be those that we already talked about, these 2, and then the village, of course, being right here. So, and here's the model. This is where we are. We're in lot 15 right now. So that's kind of where so you can kind of see where we are at. But of all the things that I see in Lake Las Vegas, and we do both see a lot, I have to say this is definitely one of my favorites.
Definitely.
I mean, this just the way I think the way they did this product, the proximity to the village, the proximity to everything going on, and the opportunity. I mean, obviously they're going to be expensive. You can go really topping at about $3 million for one of these. However, if that's not something that feels out of budget, especially if something that's might be a second home, the opportunity that you could build a little bit further back, perhaps not do the 3rd floor. Maybe just be a little bit off from the water, you could ultimately be significantly less. So I think having options is always good.
Right.
All right, Cassandra with her good point. So one thing, tell us.
Okay, so one thing I did want to just mention is I would recommend, if you're going to go with the 3rd level, getting the floor, getting the elevator, because if not, you have the sterile.
Hello. Oh my God.
I have to do it again. Hold on.
And I'm in pretty good shape. I mean, I like to think I'm in pretty good shape, but and if I have one margarita, I'm going to be SOL on that.
The spiral staircase is not going to be
okay,
a good
so if
idea.
you don't get, so if you get the 3rd floor, it's best to get the elevator. But we had stairs to the 3rd floor here inside.
Yes, so if you have the 2-story model,
right,
and you want the sky deck, you're going to have to get the spiral staircase. And so that's just something to think about, something to consider.
Oh my gosh, yes.
It is a little more going this route, but if you like to bring wine up, if you like to bring, anything you'd like to have up on your deck, you might want to
about your balance.
Yes.
Either now or sometime in the future. That's a really good point. Also for resale, right? I mean, that's a really good point. See, that's why we have Cassandra here, always to point out the really good, important points. It is so beautiful out here. I kind of don't want to leave. Could definitely just hang out here all afternoon. It is just so spectacular today. Well, this is kind of fabulous,
isn't it?
So we toured today. We are out at Shoreline by Blue Heron. 3 different models. We are actually in the smallest one. It is a 3-story. You can do an elevator. Per Cassandra's comment earlier, you probably don't want to do those spiral staircase unless you're like an Olympic athlete. I don't know. I mean, you know, we have gone up spiral staircases before, but it is, you know, you have to be really like, you do not want to be impaired whatsoever if you're going to do something like that. Now, prices here, you can really be anywhere from maybe like the high 1 millions, really all the way up to ultimately touching almost 3 million. And those last 3 lots that you pointed out, I mean, if you did everything from soup to nuts on that, you could possibly be over 3 million, because I think those last 3 lots closest to the village might be pretty pricey. So just something to consider. But I think this is one of my favorite products from Blue Heron. I love the fact that it just feels kind of like a townhome, but it's not. And I love the accessibility, and the lock and leave option is also great, especially if you're 50 plus. Like I am. But if you'd like more information on anything happening with Blue Heron, you can find that at my Vegas Confidential blog at jennifergraffrealtor.com. Thank you so much, Cassandra. I absolutely love doing videos with Cassandra. It makes it so much more fun. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.